Okay. No. No. Hmm. Um. Give me a second. I don't want you guys to see all my texts. I'm trying to find. I'm trying to share this link with the Discord, but the only thing I have it. Oh, never mind. I'm stupid. False alarm. I have it over here. Okay. Okay. Now we go back to what we were doing. There's no way my mouse just broke. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, no, there we go. Okay. That was chaotic, but we have everything under control now. This will probably not be the longest stream, but we're just going to get some stuff set up for this week. So I already have that Delta play that I mentioned in the Discord. And then I also want to get a shorter term forward play if it does look like the market's going to keep going up. But we're going to have to wait and see if it will. Oh, and that NVIDIA play, but that was expensive and under different circumstances. It's going well, though. What else are we looking at today? I've got my own ideas. Costco is still going. This is like just a continuation from their earnings. Oh, nope, not quite. But yeah, they went crazy off earnings. Inflation fears, Fed tapering, rate hikes. Spider-Man surpasses $1 billion. I haven't even really seen any of the Spider-Man movies. Travel worries, I already played that. Let's see if that Delta play is coming back. Not really. I'm just kind of YOLOing that one. I'm just going to hold on to it, see what happens. My strike is literally here, so I'm not that worried about it. The AT&T play I have is for $25, and I think that's this week. I'll have to double check. Yeah, this week. That's down a lot. Just one freaking day of nonsense. I can't believe how much that's down just off of this. It's 32 cents out of the money. But we'll just let that happen. That was a really cheap one too. Got a lot of these cheap plays just sitting around losing money. Oh, shh. Well, I meant to buy this earlier. Is it too late? I think maybe. Yeah. I'm not gonna chase it. I should have bought it when I wanted to buy it. I just kind of forgot. I didn't have any like alerts on it or anything. Pfizer. I feel like this might be good. Longer term, I've been watching them pretty much every single day. Doesn't seem to ever really break out of this range lately. It's been hanging around this for, what is that? A little over a week, around $60. Tesla, ridiculous. Bro, honestly, I'm gonna buy some Tesla calls. I have to do it on a different account because I don't have enough money in this account. I'm taking money out. I'm gonna try to get it to exactly $1,000, but the issue is I have an open what am I trying to say? Oh, my forward play is worth like 400. So if I if I get it to exactly $1,000, then I'm gonna have like half my account is just a forward play. So I'm trying to get it lower, or maybe like 1,400, and then just leave the forward play as it is. Wow. At least these Tesla contracts are reasonably priced. Jesus Christ. This is ridiculous. It's like $300 for it, even if it reached all-time highs. That's just stupid. I kind of want to do it though. Processing. Okay, I feel like if I had to think this long, it's probably a bad idea. I don't see any way. No, it's just there's no chance. This has been a sketchy one lately. There's got to be news on Rivian. I don't know what this is about. There doesn't seem to be any news. But it's freaking flying. Spreads on this kind of suck too. Except for maybe like the 110s. Freaking no. Okay, I'm doing something that might be dumb. I just bought, or I'm trying to buy. So I'm not getting filled yet. I'm trying to buy some Rivian contracts, some calls on Rivian. Just because it's cheaper than Tesla, and for some reason EV's like blowing up right now. My computer is running just ridiculously slow with this stream going for some reason. Oh, I got filled. I don't know if I'm excited about that. Okay, I got Rivian 110 calls for this week. For 180. The spreads on those are, or they're not so bad right now. When I was buying them, they were not good. But I mean, I'm kind of just hoping that it, I don't know, I hope it does some fucking something. I don't actually like this company, but it, as you can see, it looks like something's going on. Oh shit, I gotta tell the homies. $12.31. Okay. Confirmed and sent. Uber Play came back. I have a really weird separate Ford Play. Delta. That's down 23%. That was up like 30% right after I bought it. What's going on with this? What are you doing? What are you doing, Delta? I'm just going to leave it like that. That Rivian, I don't know. I feel kind of confident in that for some reason. I got to put it back on my watch list though. They can go pretty crazy, so that's really all I'm counting on. The risk reward is high on both sides. That could suck really, really bad or be really, really good. Honestly, it wasn't that expensive though, in comparison to what they were like closer to IPO. When it was doing this all this nonsense, oh my god, it was unplayable. It's like trading Tesla. Just there's nothing you could do about it. It moved too fast, it deteriorated too slow, or too fast. Be right back. Had to get my water. I'm tired as fuck today. I don't know why. I slept like all day yesterday. Okay, so the Rivian's fine. The Delta from earlier is okay-ish. I'm just kind of trusting that one. So I'm not really worried about the 5-minute chart here. I'm just going to kind of bank on them continually coming out with not necessarily bad news, but just setbacks. And it seems like they've had a lot of them. I'll see what here. I'll look up them right now and see what the headlines are. I might have to switch Wi-Fi here in a second. This I can't do this. There used to be a lot of news on TradingView. I don't know why they took that feature off, because that was pretty awesome. Okay, airlines request to reduce COVID quarantine time. Yeah, they want 5-day quarantine as opposed to 10. That's I don't know. I've heard 20 different opinions on how long it's transmissible. So I honestly, no opinion. Flight cancellation still ticking up. 2 hours ago, stars. Delta Shanghai flight turned back. I don't think any of that is like super actionable, but it could be setting up for another leg down. We'll see. Oh, AT&T. There we go. Okay, it's back a little bit. I don't understand why these are down so much. Down 26% on this shit. And they are 15 cents out of the money. Or no, 39%. I might average down on those AT&Ts if it looks like it's going to have a good day. Yeah, fuck it, might as well. It's the, I have $25 calls for this week. It's trading just about at $25. So I'm just going to buy a couple more. They're really, really cheap. It's like 18 bucks. So I feel like it's a mediocre place to average down. And we got filled. Oh, you like my little drawings? What's the Santa rally? Basically like 78% of the time or something like that, from after Christmas till I think January 2nd, 78% of the time the stock market has gone up by like more than 1%. I forgot what the exact metric is, but it's something like that. Hopefully that carries over into some AT&T. So I have 2 different plays on them, and it's starting to get a little bit expensive. Oh, Paycor again? I think I already have that on here. Paycom. I don't know why I would say Paycor. They just haven't really been moving very much. I've been keeping an eye on PayPal. It's been beat to shit lately. It should be. Oh wait, I think I just saw it. I think it's up here. I don't know how I remember where stuff is on this stupid watch list. It's not even a watch list at this point. It's just a chaotic thing that contains stocks. Yeah, they're still underperforming the market today, and they're just pretty flat across the bottom here. So I don't know what play I'd make on that unless it was just a long-term play. But there's a lot of companies that are kind of getting into PayPal's space because they've got, well, obviously the direct payment system, and then Square, Venmo, Zelle, that sort of stuff is all kind of hopping in there, and then PayPal's trying to add a stock option, kind of like the Cash App one. But Cash App's already had that for years, so I think PayPal is just a little bit behind. Might not be I don't know, catching up with the wave. Plus everyone else is buying like buy now, pay later stuff, and I don't think PayPal owns any of that. Whereas Affirm is a PayPal competitor too, basically. Yeah, AMD is still going. Facebook does. I was just talking about Affirm. If I had more money, I would definitely get some longer term Facebook calls, just because I feel like as more and more metaverse news comes out, they're just going to keep going. And I think their metaverse thing will probably be really, really cool, especially since they changed their name to Meta. So I gotta look at Uber. My Uber play is coming back big time. Oh, I guess it was already up a good bit. Yep. Delta. I really don't want to sell that Delta, but it's down freaking 30% now. My Ford calls are back up over 100%. Uber up 21. Other Ford play up 3%. Rivian's down, and then both AT&T plays are down. It's about, if you exclude the Ford call, because I mean that's basically an investment because it's leaps. Then I'm basically like my portfolio is pretty much straight up break even right now, which I do not like to start the week. When to start on a high note, I should have sold the Delta right when I bought it. I do love Ford. I have Ford Leaps. I have short-term Ford calls. I have shares. Everything. I have all of the Ford. And just to show why, this is when I started talking about loving Ford, when it was like $8 or somewhere around. Yeah, it was single digits for sure. And then there's just been this weird ascent. I think my like long-term Ford position is up like 92%, and I've bought it, even up here. I'm not selling that shit. I forgot they had dividends too. I don't think I have it set up to reinvest though, so I should probably change that. Not that the, what is it, 10 cents is going to make that big of a difference. Yeah, that's around where I bought it the first time. I've bought it a lot of times though. So I was trying to buy it on my little brother's account too, but I don't. He screwed up his E-Trade somehow, so he missed out on that one. Oh hell yeah, Nvidia. I think if SpaceX does IPO, it'll be pretty much uninvestable. So I mean, it's gonna get so hyped up that I mean, yeah, you can like trade it, but it's just gonna be worth way, way, way more than it actually is, or it's gonna be valued at way more than it actually is because it's an Elon thing. Uh, it's just gonna be ridiculously expensive, and I still think Tesla will come back down to Earth at some point, unless they just like, unless they actually follow through on all this stuff they want to do, like the phone, all the space link stuff. What is it called? The Starlink. If they follow through on all of that stuff and start getting in like the tech space, then it might start making sense at some point. But as of now, it's a car company, and they have very, very little market share in that car company. Let's see how these swings are doing. HIMX. So this purple line is from when I put it on the Discord, just for the record. So far, these three are all, oh, this is doing really well. They're all positive, so that's a bonus. I was saying on this one, somewhere below 30 would be a good sell. Just because I don't know if it's going to get back to where it gapped down. What would it be if it got to almost 30? 15%. That's pretty good. It's kind of risky though. I feel like it just as easily could have gone down just as much, just as fast. I would like Tesla to split again, just so the options are cheaper. Because I do like playing them, just because you can make so much freaking money. Like one of my best trades ever, maybe my best ever, was on Tesla. It was like I made like $4,000 overnight. It was ridiculous. SPY's going crazy. Oh, all-time highs. Sheesh. I guess the recovery is complete. What do you mean the last days? Oh, you mean like cuz it's uh like the holidays? I'm sure there's some like big money still investing, but it's just a historically low volume this week because I mean everyone goes on vacation. Look at this. See, you got highs up here, and then last week your high is, oh, that was Monday. Monday was weird. I don't know. I don't know what the heck that was. Um, yeah. So average volume 85 million. Today has been 9.4 in an hour, and that's the highest volume hour. So I think this week averages like 30% lower volume, which is a big difference. And yeah, everyone's on holiday, but still a really good day for the overall markets. I wish it would freaking carry over into AT&T because I think I spent way too much on that play, or the two plays combined. It looks fine though. It's just I don't have a lot of time on my weekly ones. This is bothering me. I gotta delete this shit. There's no easy way to do this. You literally just have to click every single one. Or I think you can hit shift. Oh, nope. Absolutely flawless drawings. Thank you. Oh, this thing's really flying now. Oh, off of 99,000 volume. Yeah, it's just kind of slow. Oh, this was down earlier. I almost bought puts on this. I kind of want to get some calls on this in hopes that it catches up to SPY, because they're not really matched up right now. So you got almost a full percent on SPY, and then small caps are only a third. And they have a lot more room to go up. I'm kind of curious what the distribution is of IWM. There's like, isn't it 2,000 stocks or something? Yeah. Distribution. Oh, here, I'll pull it over. Let's see. Weight. Okay, the highest weighted stock on the entire thing is AMC. That's interesting. Let's see if there's any other that I recognize on here. Macy's, Crocs. Just really weird stuff. Got some pharmaceutical companies, IT companies, real estate. Interesting stuff. Oh, QQQ is way up. Or are you asking what's in QQQ? Because it's pretty much just, I mean, tech. Apple, Amazon, Facebook. They make up like all of it. And Netflix. Alrighty, I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, QQQ and SPY do run together. I could overlay it on this chart, but if you just look, here's the daily, here's the daily. It's pretty similar. They just have days where they under or overperform with each other. Looks like QQQ is winning today. Typically QQQ moves more. So yeah, like a down day for them would be like, a really bad day would be like 2%, really bad day for SPY would be like 1. I don't know why that is. I'm sure there's a reason for it. I don't know what it is. Rivian. This place kind of holding me down right now. Everything else is doing fine. I'm going to trust it against my better judgment. AT&T is doing fine. I actually kind of like that. My Uber play is well in the green. I actually spent quite a bit on the Uber, so that's good. That's kind of carrying right now, actually. Even though it's only up 16%. There's just, I have a lot more in it than the other stuff. Delta. Man, I want to keep these, but I'm already down 34%. I don't know. It kind of looks like it's slowing up here, at least a little bit. I'm just going to trust that one too. That's kind of the benefit of using such a small amount on these trades, is you can let it go south. If the Uber was going south, I spent like 3 times more on that than the Delta one. So like if I was down, 15% on that play, then I would definitely sell out. But speaking of, they just turned red. No, that's fine. Just a healthy correction. Rivian, dog shit company, just go up. Sometimes you just gotta believe. Today is not December 23rd. Oh, I thought, yeah, okay, look at this. So sometimes there's like 2 pages. There'll be like 150 names on here. But there are about 10. Just because no one's trading today. Wow, look at this incredible 18,000 volume. Dang! Down 71%. Let's see what happened to them. Phase 3 trial failure. Basically, it looks like the company was pretty much relying on that, and alas, they did not complete. Doink. It's rough. Bad day for them. Alrighty, I'm not really planning on buying anything else right now. I like my plays, so I'm gonna turn off the stream right quick. and I'll just post stuff on the Discord once I find a swing trade, and or if I come across something else interesting. Peace.